launch it now. So this is the preview. Now here now in this place, if I want to launch, maybe I want to launch like 3 EC2 or 4 EC2 or 5 EC2 or 10, any kind of EC2 I want to launch, I can decide to, with this same configuration, I can decide to do that here. Then my security group apps. So later we'll talk about more of, on security group. So let's just launch this so that we can see how it is done. So click on launch. Automatically your EC2 will start launching. You can see the security group created, then launch. Now your EC2 has been launched. And see, if you go back to your instance now, so it's going to load it here. So it's already running. So now if I click on this, you see in this EC2 now, you can see the name, my first web server. You can see the name now. Now we can see public IPv address. You can see this public IPv address means that address that I can use to access it. If I click on this one and I follow the address, now you see that it did not show me the website because automatically web browser will enforce HTTPS. If I click on it now, you see it is using HTTPS. But for me to see my EC2 live, I have to go to HTTP. So if I click on it now, you see, say welcome to my Apache web server on EC2. This exact text I put, welcome to my Apache web server on EC2. So like that now, that means your EC2 is actually working perfectly. So you see it. So you can see we have the public DNS, we have the private IP. You can see the private IP. Now, mind you, the difference between public IP and private IP is that private IP will never change. It will remain like that. But public will change. This public will change. If I try to stop my instance now, you see, just take note of this IP. Let me copy it somewhere. Let me copy it here. I've copied it. If I try to stop the instance, let me stop it. Let me stop this instance. So let me stop it. It is already stopping. Let me refresh and see whether it has stopped. Stopping now. See that it is already stopping. So I want it to stop. That stopped totally, Abby. So now you can see the IP now. Now if I try to start it again, so you can see it is starting. So let's see. Now you see that the IP has changed. Let me copy this one and so that we can compare it. You see the difference. You see this one with 39, this one with 109. You can see two. So in IP address now you can see majorly these are the three things that usually change majorly in IP address. So you can see to change. So anytime you stop or you reboot your instance,